Hi, everyone. My name is Carice, and I am the head of youth services for the West Babylon Public Library. Some of you might remember me from some class visits or visiting the library when you guys were in elementary school, but I'm here to talk to you about the sixth grade field trip to the West Babylon Public Library coming up very soon on June 5th. So let's get started. So this is a little preview of what we're going to go over, or the different stations that are going to be offered. We're going to talk about the summer reading club, some teen programs we have, and also 100 books before graduation. So you guys are going to come in your three clusters. I don't know who's coming first, but it's going to be one cluster at a time. So it's 9:30 to 10:15, 10:30 to 11:15, and then 12:45 to 1:30. So you have about 20 minutes at each station. So I'm going to go over the stations in a second, but just know that some of you are going to come in and you're going to go right to station 1, and some of you are going to go to station 2. 20 minutes is going to go by. You guys are going to switch. Then you're going to finish up, go back on the bus, go back to school. So the whole process and reason that we do this video to show you guys is so you can plan what you want to prioritize and do during your visit. Okay, so let's get started. Station 1. So this is all going to take place pretty much outside. So we have the sled, which is basically just a giant RV that we converted, and you can play video games in it. There's going to be some photo opportunities, maybe some giveaways. Then we're going to go into the backyard, and we're going to have and the J program room. I'm going to get to that in a second. So this is all part of Station 1. Also part of Station 1 is the backyard. We're going to have yard games, garden things. And then in the children's programming room, we're going to do a little bit, some STEAM, some merge cubes. So this is what I'm saying. If you're super into STEAM, you want to see like the different coding stuff we have, then maybe you prioritize going into the room instead of going on the bus or so much in the backyard. So, right, we only have 20 minutes at each station. There also might be a surprise snack table to be determined. Station 2. So now these are going to be in the community rooms. So this doesn't take place outside, but we're going to have an art table where we can do friendship bracelets and necklaces. You're going to be able to make DIY badge and pins and help do a summer reading teen display. We have a volunteer table with community cards. So, you can write cards for the community and learn about all the different volunteer opportunities that the library has. And there's also going to be book browsing. You can find books to check out, take home, all of that. So that's Station 2. So the 2024 Summer Reading Club, you guys are young adults now, so you're in the teen summer reading program. You get 1 point for every minute you read over the summer. Every 100 points gets you a prize from a prize chest and also an e-raffle or a virtual raffle ticket for one of our grand prize baskets. And I'm going to show you guys what they are. So you also get a sign-up prize and a prize and a raffle, like I said, for every 100 minutes. And then once you complete the club, so once you do 1,000 minutes, you get a finale prize. And all of those reading over the summer counts towards your 100 books before graduation if you're also part of that club. So here are all our grand prize baskets. You can see we have a bunch of different gift cards from a lot of different places. And these are just some of them. We actually do have some more. I just haven't put them on yet. They didn't all fit on the screen, but you'll be able to check all of these out and see. And like I said, the more you read, the more raffle tickets you get, the better chance you have of getting one of these awesome prizes. Okay, so 100 books before graduation. So we switched over, if you guys had signed up with Mrs. Statfeld, we switched over from using kind of that form that we used to use to now this software. So it's also the same software that the Summer Reading Club is going to be run through. It's called Read Squared. So you can download it on your phone. So the app looks like this, or you can open it from the library's website. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So to register yourself, if for a new registrant account, it's super easy. It's very simple. You click register, click myself only, enter your grade, click 100 books before graduation, fill out all the required fields. You're ready to start reading. If you were previously registered, what we did, so not everyone had an email address. We tried to send everyone an email address, the information that we did. But if you were previously registered, you were automatically given a username. So it was the first initial and last name. So for example, I did Moose, who is my dog. So Moose Mitchell, M Mitchell is now his username. And then the password is automatically your last name. So Moose Mitchell, M Mitchell becomes Mitchell as his last name for the password. And all of that will be on the email, but you can also change the password, and I'm going to show you guys how to do all of that. So hold on one second. We are going to, I'm going to share a different page. Okay. So if you're on the website, on the teen webs or the library's website, sorry, if you click on teens and click on 100 books before graduation, it'll bring you here and has all the information about getting started, right? Talking about registering, if you want to do it through the app or do it through the computer. If you click on this, it'll bring you to the page, right? So we have information over here on 100 books. And remember, I said the same software is for the summer reading club too. So all of that information is up here. So to register, you would click register, myself only. You're going to put how old you are or what grade you're in. So you guys are in 6th grade. It's going to offer you the 100 books before graduation or Adventure Begins at West Babylon. So you guys can register. So if you wanted to do 100 books before graduation, and then this is all the information that you need to fill out. Okay. So we're going to log in. So this is what the 100 books before graduation looks like on the homepage. It's kind of boring, but it's okay. You can see all the books. You can see logging activity. You can see reading lists if you have any. And basically you would just click log. You can log books. And you can put the title in, all of it right there. Okay. So if I wanted to link my account, now you can go to account and go to my account, see this information over here that you need to fill out. So you guys would have to fill this out because we didn't transfer that. And this is also where you could change your password. And then you could also add a reader or a program. So say you wanted to also use this account, which you should, to sign up for the summer reading club, and you already had 100 books before graduation account, you would click add reader or program. You put what grade you're in, and you would click Adventure Begins at West Babylon and then click continue, right? So then you would put in your information that's required there. You do not need to make a username or password, right? So you can sign up for both the 100 books before graduation and the summer reading club. You can't start recording books for the summer reading club until June 8th, but when you guys are here, you can definitely sign up for both. So, okay. So I know that's a little confusing, but that's all the 100 books before graduation and the summer reading club. So let me go back to my presentation. So these are some of the programs that we have going on this summer at the library. And this is just a few. We have so many more, but we have a teen movie club that you can get community service credit for watching all these different movies with Miss Daphne, who's awesome. We have a bike safety program with Suffolk County Police Department that's coming up in a few Saturdays. They are going to also offer free helmets to the first few people that are there. So that's a great one. We also have a Tween Tales and Treats. If you participate in this book club, you can also get points for 100 books and also summer reading. We have a bunch of coding programs. So we have a Super Smash Brothers tournament coming up. We have a Flora's Lava robotics program, teen video game trivia. So a lot of fun stuff coming up this summer. And now my favorites. We have a stop motion animation workshop. So that takes place over 3 different nights in July. And then we have our Calling All Swifties. We are doing a Taylor Swift party, and Taylor is coming, and I'm very excited. And then we have Teen Paint Night, which is awesome. You guys have been requesting it. So Miss Kathy Riccardi will be there, and you're just going to do a cool teen paint night with you guys. So all of these you can register for, and all of it is for free with your library card. And if you need to contact us, You can always follow us on Instagram at WBPL_YA. You could do email us at teen.department@wbpl.us or give us a call. So I look forward to seeing you guys next Wednesday, June 5th, at your visit at the library. I hope you guys are excited too and can't wait to see you. Thanks, everybody.